Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Tubi TV app on your Android TV, TV box, or even a Google TV. This method will work with any device running an Android operating system and any browser installed on an Android operating system. So use your browser of choice. In my case, I'll be using the Google browser. And I want you to do one thing. If you find help in this video, if it's insightful, subscribe, like it, and let me know your experience in the comment section. Click on your Google browser or browser of choice to get in, and I want you to search the application you are trying to download. In this video, we'll be looking at the Tubi TV application. So I'll type in TUBI/TV or space TV, and this is it with the search button. Click on the link that has play.google.com. You can see here this is tubitv.com. This is tubitv.en. Scroll down and you find this version with play.google.com. Click on it, and if this is your first time, you'll be prompted to log into Google. Log in, and when you're done, you'll see an install button here. As you can see, this application is not currently available in my country, but if it's available in your country, click on the install button and you have the Tubi TV app straight into your app library. That's it for this tutorial. If you found insight here, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.